Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the drawing workspace so you can work cleanly from the first stroke. Open Paint 3D, choose New and set the canvas size that matches your final use. Turn on rulers and the canvas grid to align elements precisely. Use transparent canvas for overlays. Pick a primary brush and set size and opacity to control line weight. Once done, save a duplicate version so you can experiment without losing the original file. Now you construct the drawing by blocking in main shapes because a solid structure prevents messy rework. Use the 2D shape tools to lay out forms, keeping proportions simple. Group related elements or use stickers to separate layers. Label each group so you can toggle visibility. Refine contours with the marker and clean edges using the eraser while zooming into detailed areas. Make sure to save periodically if you plan depth. Convert selected shape. Finish by adding color, texture, and polish so your image reads clearly at its intended size. Use fill for flat areas, then layer highlights with the airbrush and deepen shadows with a fine marker to suggest volume. If you converted parts to 3D, tweak lighting and materials for realism. Apply sticker textures sparingly. Once satisfied, flatten groups and export a PNG for transparency or a high-res JPEG. If something breaks, undo history or reopen your duplicate version to restore prior steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.